Hi guys, are you curious about how to get more viewers on video? I will give you 7 tips how to avoid mistakes and get more viewers on your video. Stay tuned, coming up soon. You guys gonna probably say, I always repeat one thing in many of videos. But let me tell you something. First mistake you gotta avoid is bad or confusing titles. What does that mean? As I mentioned 100 times before, you need to make a good title and searchable title. This is especially for vloggers or gamers. I know 100 vloggers who do a vlogging video, but they put title like Vlog 1, Vlog 64, Vlog Today 2. Gamers do almost same thing. For example, Call of Duty Part 2. The next video, Call of Duty Part 3. This is not a searchable titles, guys. Trust me, no one gonna go on search bar and search Vlog 2 or Vlog 3. You gotta make a searchable title. Try go on the search bar and type in a box the words which you wanna find. Mistake number 2. Don't spam comments. To avoid this mistake, you need to have a conversation with the people. Don't comment sub for sub. And one of most annoying comment, if you subscribe to my channel, I will subscribe you. Don't spam other people comment on video. Mistake number 3. Looking into lens. Yes, I know, I mentioned that 100 times before in other videos. Imagine you talking to your friend and he talk to you, he tell you some story, but not look at you. He look at a beautiful girl, or I don't know, but talking to you. How awkward is that can be? I want to explain you about looking into lens, but I do this. Hey guys, mistake number 3, you gotta looking into lens. What are you gonna say about that? Mistake number 4, weak intro. Guys, as I always mentioned before, make an intro as short as is possible. Don't put intro at the beginning. First, please explain to your viewer, to your audience, what is gonna be your video, what you gonna talk about. Then, after that, intro. But short intro, because no one wants to watch your intro. Do it like me on this video. On the beginning of the video, I ask you, are you curious about how to get more viewers on video? Then I put my intro. So I hook my viewer on the first 5 seconds. That's the point of the video. Tip number 5, low energy. Guys, did you get a point? Low energy. If you watch this video, you probably ask yourself, what's happened with this guy? Whatever is happened this day or this morning to you, please don't spread this energy to your video. Tip number 6. Remember guys, YouTube is not competition. This is a marathon. You cannot compare with the many successful YouTubers. So you need the time and patience to build your audience and community alone. But these YouTubers can be your example, so you can make it. And tip number 7, most important tip for gamers. Let me explain you why is most important for gamers. Many times I see my viewers, gamers, they publish, they are alive. So I go check this live But what happened? I go there, and not just me, 10 more people watching this live, and I comment to him, "Hi there, how you doing?" But he's not answering. He playing a game. He don't care about viewers and chat. He don't care what I ask him. He's just playing a game. That's all. So guys, don't do it then. You're not gonna have views on this video. And every time when I see you publish a live, I'm not gonna go there. Because I remember when I go there, what I gonna do? Talk to myself. And guys, each next video, my new video, I will put your links, so each video, different friend. That's gonna be something like shoutout, because I don't do shoutout on this channel. So if you watch this video till the end, please tell me which channels is on this video. If you're first time on this channel, please hit subscribe button so next time you don't miss anything. Thank you guys for watching and see you soon.